Understanding encapsulation.
Encapsulation is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming. It refers to the bundling of data and methods that operate on that data within a single unit called an object. Encapsulation helps control access to the internal state of an object and hides its complexity from outside code, making software more secure and easier to manage.
How encapsulation works.
With encapsulation, data inside an object is not directly accessible from outside. Instead, programmers use public methods known as getters and setters to access or update the data. This allows the class to enforce rules about how its data is used, helping prevent accidental or harmful changes.
The role of access modifiers.
Access modifiers, such as private, protected, and public, define how accessible parts of a class are to other code. Using the private modifier, for example, ensures certain variables can only be accessed from within the class itself. This is a key tool for implementing encapsulation and maintaining control over sensitive data.
Why encapsulation matters.
Encapsulation protects an object's internal state and reduces the chance of coding errors. By hiding the implementation details, code becomes less dependent on how something works and more focused on what it does. This makes the codebase easier to maintain, update, and debug as projects grow in size and complexity.
Encapsulation and secure code.
Encapsulation plays a major role in writing secure code. By limiting access to critical data and functions, it reduces the risk of unintended behavior or security vulnerabilities. Encapsulated classes provide a well-defined interface for other parts of the program, promoting consistency and reliability.